So these two advantages, by considering these two advantages, we are going to use function in a program. The first advantage is reusability. Don't forget, reusability means once you write a function, you can reuse it. And second advantage is to divide a big problem into small sub problems with the help of function. So with the definition of function, we will start the concept of function. Now what is function? Function is a block of statements. Yes, it is a block of statements. And these statements performs, okay, which performs some task. It is a block of statement which performs some task. Now there are some types of function, and basically there are two types of function. Number one is built-in function, and number two is user-defined function. Okay, so built-in function ऐसे फंक्शन जो ऑलरेडी बनाए गए हैं और रेडीली अवेलेबल है यूज करने के लिए, उन फंक्शंस को हम लोग डायरेक्टली हमारे कोड के अंदर यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल वी हैव सीन var_dump function, right, to check data type of variable. So that is a kind of built-in function. We have also seen define function, right? So var_dump, this is the example of built-in function. Then define function, we used to define a constant, right? Then we also have seen isSet function. Okay, so this is also built-in function, readily available. We directly use it. Second is a user-defined function, a function which we are going to create. Okay, that is what user-defined function. Now, again, function has four subcategories, or you can say that subtypes, and you are familiar with it. That is what? Function without argument, without return. Then there is a function with argument, without return, function with return, without argument, and fourth one is function with return and with argument. Okay, so these are the four subtypes. You can say that subtype बोलो उसको, subcategories बोलो. तो ये भी हम लोगों को फंक्शन के अंदर मिलते हैं, बट मेजर दो उसके टाइप है, बिल्ट इन फंक्शन और यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन. कोई भी फंक्शन जब आप लोग क्रिएट करोगे, दैट फंक्शन मस्ट फॉल अंडर वन ऑफ दिस फोर कैटेगरीज. ये चार कैटेगरी के बाहर का कोई भी फंक्शन आप लोग बना नहीं सकते. ओके, नाउ the question comes in mind कि फंक्शन ये अपने आप एग्जीक्यूट होता है? So answer is no. When you write a particular function block and you just run your code, so that block is not executed. तो फंक्शन का कोड तब तक एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होता है जब तक आप लोग उसको कॉल नहीं करते, right? So every function executed when we call it. And in PHP, function is specified by two steps. You can say the two steps. One is function definition, हम लोगों को फंक्शन को डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा, and second is function calling. Okay, there is no function here. Like we do not declare variable, we directly use it. So similarly, we do not declare function like C, C++ and Java. We directly use it. Okay, so you have to just define it and you have to call it. और जब तक हम लोग कॉल नहीं करते फंक्शन का जो ब्लॉक है वो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा. और जैसे कि एडवांटेज में हमने देखा कि फंक्शन हम लोगों को ये दो एडवांटेज देता है. डोंट फॉरगेट एडवांटेजेस, रीयूजेबिलिटी and we can say that modularity. You can just say that dividing big problem into small. Divide big problems into small. इससे क्या होगा कि जो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है आपके कोड की वो कम हो जाएगी एरर ट्रेसिंग के लिए या फिर किसी बड़े सॉफ्टवेयर को मैनेज करने के लिए. ओके. Now, how to create function in PHP? So you should know the general syntax. And general syntax of creating function in PHP, that is very simple. Function is created using function keyword. Okay. Then function name. Okay. Then in bracket we specify arguments. It is optional. And opening closing curly bracket, and here we specify statements. Okay. So in PHP, function is defined using function keyword. If you compare this symbol with this syntax with C, C++, Java syntax, you will come to know that there we specify return type, and here there is a no return type. Okay. So how you will create function with return without argument, or without argument without return, and similar this four types. So if you return value from this particular function, it means that is with return. Okay. And if you do not return value, it means it is without return. If you specify argument here, it means it is with argument, and if you do not specify argument, it means it is without argument. Okay. So we are going to see a simple example. We are going to create one function in PHP for calculating addition of two numbers, and the same function we are going to write by four ways. So you will understand how to create all these four types of functions. Okay, so let us switch to our VS Code editor, and here I will write PHP code. Function demonstration. Okay. So first function we will create function without argument and without return. ऐसा फंक्शन कि जो कोई भी आर्ग्यूमेंट एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा और कोई भी वैल्यू रिटर्न नहीं करेगा. So how we are going to create it? We are going to create function. Name of the function I will give sum. In bracket I will keep empty, so it will be a without argument, and inside this I will declare two variable, a equals to 10, b equals to 20, and then I will take dollar result equals to $a plus $b, and then I will print result here echo addition equals to $result. Simple function we have created. So this is what function, and once the function is defined, you can call it. Calling statement is exactly similar like we have seen in other programming languages. So calling means you just have to write a function name, and after writing a function name, if there is a values or argument present inside function, you have to pass argument values. Okay, so this is calling statement of function. How can you call this particular function? You have to write only sum like this. So let's save it and let's reload it in browser. So you can see addition equals to 30. Now it is what? Function without argument, without return. Now we will see function with argument and without return. With argument and without return. I'll copy this. And this is number 2. Function with argument. Now how you will specify argument? So again it is very simple. You have to write here $n1 comma $n2. Okay. Two variables I have specified, means two argument, and as it is a loosely typed programming language, so we do not specify data type here. So I have taken n1 and n2 here. So instead of 10 and 20, you can write $n1, $n2, or instead of this, you can directly use n1 and n2 here, n1, and this is n2, and addition equals to result. Now while calling this function, what you have to do? You have to pass two values. So I will pass 100 and 200, and I will see the result. You can see addition equals to 300. So this is second type of function, function with argument without return. Now we will see third type of function, that is with return without argument. With return without argument. Function without argument and with return. Okay. Now how can you write this? So without argument means आप लोगों को ये bracket जो है empty रखना पड़ेगा, and with return means instead of printing this addition, I will return the addition. And how the value is returned? Using return keyword. So return $result. अब ये जो वैल्यू है ये कहां पर रिटर्न होगी? तो जहां से फंक्शन आपका कॉल होता है वहां पर ये वैल्यू रिटर्न होती है. तो आप लोग इसको एक किसी वेरिएबल के अंदर स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं, लाइक दिस $x इक्वल्स टू सम, या फिर आप लोग उसको डायरेक्टली प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट द स्टेटमेंट echo and you can call a function. जो भी वैल्यू ये फंक्शन रिटर्न कर रहा है, that value will come inside echo and that particular value will print on the screen. Okay, so both the statement are perfectly valid. So I will print here $x in h1 tag. You have to write it in double quote. It is without argument, so you have to assign values within block itself. See. And fourth type of function, that is with argument with return, which is most popular and most frequently used type of function, that is function with argument and with return. How it is written? Argument are specified like this in bracket, and instead of printing addition here itself, I will return the result. Return $result. And remember, when a return statement detects in a particular block of function, तो वहां से control उस function के बाहर निकल जाता है. So if you write some statements here, so these statements will never execute. If there is a return statement above the statement, after the return statement in a particular function will never execute. That you have to remember. Return statement से क्या होगा कि उस पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक के अंदर से कंट्रोल निकल जाएगा. कहां पर चला जाएगा? जहां से वो पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन कॉल होगा. So return statement must be the last statement in particular function block. Okay. So pass again two values 1575 and now we are printing the result here. Save it. And you can see here the addition is 90. Okay. So these are the four types we have seen, four types of function. With simple program, we have created one function here for performing addition of two numbers. And we have demonstrated the same with all four examples, with all four types.